Okay, so another example, we have 3x squared, or differentiate 3x squared plus y squared is equal to 9. So, ganun din, isa-isahin natin ang pagkuha ng derivatives ng given natin. So, kunin natin yung derivative ng 3x squared, and then ng y squared, and then yung 9. So, kung sanay na kayo, no, kahit yung dito constant na yan, automatic 0 yan. So, kunin natin yung derivative ng 3x squared, that is 6x. And then yung derivative ng y squared, since kinukuha natin, no, yung both side with respect to x, so kailangan natin i-multiply. So yung derivative ng y squared is 2y kay dy over dx is equal to 0. Since ito yung kinukuha natin, so ililipat natin yung 6x dito sa kabila. So magiging 2y times dy over dx is equal to negative 6x. Since positive yon, so magiging negative siya dito. And then, i-divide natin both side by 2y. So, pag dinivide natin both side by 2y, so magiging, ma-cancel natin ito. Then, negative 6 divide 2, that is negative 3. So, the answer will be negative 3x over y.